Welcome back to 4th Standard Computer Science online class. Dear children, today we are discuss the page number 21. So all of you take workbook page number 21. This page has the one words and question answers. And these one words and question answers are based on lesson 1 and 2. Okay. The first section, multiple choice question. The first one, the name for the menu seen on right clicking on a folder is. Answer, context menu. Second one, a touchpad is commonly used in. Answer, option B, laptop. Third one, Windows 10 is the latest operating system coming from. Option A, Microsoft. Fourth one, which device allows you to hear sound from the computer? Answer, speakers. The next one, true or false? First one, the task view allows having multiple desktops in the same computer. Answer, true. Second one, touch screens may be found in mobile phones and ATMs. Answer, true. Third one, two forms of the touchpad are flatbed and handheld. Answer, false. Fourth one, if a new folder is created, its name is kept editable. Answer, true. The next section, fill in the blanks. First one, the background feature of the Windows 10 desktop is known as dash. Answer, wallpaper. Second one, a dash is a lightweight version of the file, folder or application. Answer, shortcut. Third one, dash is the most commonly used output device. Answer, monitor. Fourth one, the joystick and the dash are two pointing devices. Answer, mouse. Fifth one, dash is a small portable device that can be store a large amount of data. Answer, pen drive. Okay, all of you mark the one words, ma? Okay. Next, answer the following questions. All the question answers are, all of you copy the computer note. Okay. The first one, what is the purpose of the Windows Snap feature? Answer, the Windows Snap features allows you to work on multiple screens at the same time. Windows Snap features allows you to work on multiple screens at the same time. Okay, then second question, describe the taskbar in Windows 10. Answer, taskbar is a horizontal bar aligned to the lower part of the screen. It contains the quick launch bar, the Cortana bot for the search and notification area, along with the task view button of the computer. Once again I read the second question. Answer, taskbar is a horizontal bar aligned to the lower part of the screen. It contains a quick launch bar, the Cortana bot for search and notification area, along with the task view button of the computer. Okay. Third question, discuss the parts of the CPU. Discuss the part of the CPU. Answer, there are three parts of the CPU given as ALU, arithmetic and logic unit. It does all the calculations like additions, subtractions, etc. Second one, CU, control unit. It controls all the activities of the computer. It tells other part of the computer what they should do. Then third one, MU, memory unit. It stores data and information temporarily. Okay. The next one, fourth. What do you mean by printer? Printer is an output device which provides information on the paper. The printed copy of the output from the printer is known as hard copy. A hard copy can include data and pictures on it. Okay. Next one, fifth question. Explain light pen. Answer. Light pen is a pen-shaped pointing device. It is connected to the monitor. Light pens are used to draw pictures on the screen. We can also select objects on the screen by pointing at them with the pen. It is mostly used by engineers and designers. This question, fifth question ma. Okay, all of you complete the question answers. Okay, the next class, the second lesson is test. So thoroughly study the second lesson, book exercise and question answers. Thank you, students.